everybody, how's it going? It's Jamie, the crafty DIY guy, and Otis is making an appearance behind me. Hey, buddy. How are you, buddy? Come say hi. I have my first Dollar Tree haul of 2021, and did you just see his tail go through? Come here, baby boy. Come here, come say hi to Daddy. Come say hi to everybody. Come here. We'll do this real quick. Look, there's Mr. Otis. Hi, baby. He hates it. He's like, Dad, please let me go. Look how gorgeous that boy is. Look how handsome. Mwah. Love you, Betty. So this is my first Dollar Tree haul of 2021, and I'm pretty excited about it. I found lots of stuff. I really need to get a haircut, by the way, and this is going to be shaped up professionally by a barber very, very soon. But there's definitely lots of Valentine's Day stuff. There are some spring things that are arriving in stores right now. If you want them, I'm telling you, you need to get them right now. Let's just get into it because I found some fun stuff. I found some like utility stuff that I call utility, like just stuff I like to keep on hand. And then I found some new project stuff. So no particular order. Great bottle. It's BPA free, which is something you always want to look for. There's no chemicals or anything. Is there Otis? Nope, I thought that was him behind me. It's plastic, but it looks like it's metal, which I thought was super cool. And one of my goals for 2021, I don't believe in setting resolutions, I set goals, is to drink more water. And this one is, I was thinking it said the ounce level on here, but maybe it doesn't. But anyway, I'll pour it in there and pour it out and measure it or something. So that was one thing that I found, which I'm actually really excited about. This is super random. This is a food related item, but it is so good. This is a sweet chili sauce, and this sweet chili sauce is available at Dollar Tree. I've seen it almost every time I've been. It is so good, and it's not super powerful, it's not super hot, but it is so yummy. So check it out. The other thing I found, and I have two of these. Actually, let me try and kind of get some stuff together. So I got two of these, and my idea, I'm thinking about doing a DIY project with those. And then I ended up finding, where are they? I don't like when they put my stuff together, but not together. So I found these boxes too, right? The square ones. And I've seen these a bunch of times, just like the round ones. They're cardboard. And I was playing around with them in the Crafter Square section. And I put them back, actually. And then I went over to where the... I thought I grabbed 6 of those. I did. I went over to the kitchen area, and I found these coasters, but they look like tile, right? They're gorgeous. And I thought, well, I could probably do something. I considered for a minute, like, buying enough of these to tile, like, the inside of my built-in shelves. And then I was like, that might look kind of weird. But then I'm still considering it, so I'm going to go and measure in the bathroom to see if these will actually work in there. But if you take the lid off of those square cardboard boxes, they fit perfectly inside there. So I'm thinking of a DIY project that I might be able to do with something like that. So that could be cool. And I did buy 6 of those tiles, so... coasters, I guess is really what they are. I'm so excited to find this. I have not been able to find this since the pandemic started. There's Otis again making his little appearance, showing his butt now to everybody. Otis, come say hi. But rubbing alcohol. Oh my God, it was like finding like a lottery ticket. I was going to say $1 million lottery ticket, but that's stretching it a little bit. I also found some hydrogen peroxide. This was much bigger than the alcohol, but I grabbed 2 of them because, again, Want to make sure that I have everything on hand that I'm going to need in case we have another shutdown. You know, we don't know what's going on quite yet. But the size difference is definitely noticeable. But I only limited myself to 2 of those, so I thought it was being good. The other thing I bought were these wooden boxes because I was thinking it's got like an owl on it, and then this one has a little house on it. And I was thinking that these could possibly work for that tile thing that I was thinking about, and they may even work inside this box. Actually, let's just see if it does. That way you guys will know if you are out shopping. I'm still trying to figure out what the DIY would actually be. Look at Otis back there. And so I took the lid off the wood box now. And yeah, it doesn't fit inside there. I was thinking that it wouldn't, but bummer. Bummer, bummer, bummer. That could be a cute lid though for a box if you wanted to do something like that. The cork below it actually does keep it sort of in place. You maybe want to put a bigger piece of cork on there, but that could be a cute little box if you put a wood bead or something on the top. I don't know. Maybe even with the, oh, here we go. Maybe with that. Yeah, it's about the same size. So that could be a DIY project right there, guys. I just gave you one. Turn it into like a little jewelry box with like a cute little wood bead or something on the top. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe not. Let's see. So that was 2 of those. That is everything in that bag. Have some really cool stuff that I'm super excited about. Okay, here's the other one. I had the other one here. I found the elusive little candle holders. Now, I will say, I thought these were a lot bigger when I saw other people hauling them. And, but they're perfect for an oversized votive. And I was able to snag 2 of those, so I was happy about those. As you know, if you've been following me for a little while, I am redoing my living room soon. And those are definitely part of the plan. Guys, if you have not purchased these bar towels yet, you need to. I absolutely love these so much. Be careful though when you buy them because they sell a 2-pack, which is what this is, and they also sell a single pack. So why not get 2 for 1 if you can? These bar mops, I think they're called bar mop dishcloths, are so good in the kitchen. I absolutely love these, and they clean up really, really, really well. So if you can find those, I would highly, highly recommend them to you. The other thing I did buy were some Mardi Gras beads. This is just the color that I grabbed. It's an 8-pack. I have an idea for a DIY project that I want to do with these, involving some vases or candle holders. So we'll see. Maybe even some, like some Goodwill or thrift finds. So more to come there. I did buy a couple of Valentine's things. I'm going to kind of categorize those and put those together. Sink insert. I'm not DIYing this. This is for my sink. It just catches all the crap, and I'm having some plumbing problems, and I think it's because of all the crap that goes down there. I don't have a garbage disposal, so that's the other reason why. I am doing a vision board, and I do a vision board every year. So I bought a piece of tag board. This is just their poster board, and that is going to be my vision board. If you're not familiar with a vision board is basically like kind of what you want to have for your goals for the following year and the year to come. And you make a visual representation of what your vision board should be. And it just helps you because you see it all the time. And, you know, it just helps kind of keep it in your brain. So I am making a vision board. And to do that, you need glue sticks. This was another thing. They had a 4-pack of the same exact glue stick for $1, or you could get the 8-pack for $1. So, of course, I grabbed the larger one. These were new signs that I saw. I had not seen these before. I'm probably not going to keep them as signs, but I think that they'd be fantastic for DIYs. This is one that says, welcome. And this is one that says, coffee, and I probably would have overlooked them, but there was actually one that the letters on the back had fallen off. And I'm going to see if I can do that with this one. And the back actually pops off, so you can see it's already coming off there. But then also this is just, like you can see, it's just very, very light. I'm sorry, guys. There's a TV going on in the background. I forgot to turn it off before I started this video, so there's some screaming going on, but that's just the TV. But these are cardboard, and I already bent this one. But well, now I just broke it. But that's okay, because I didn't want to keep this anyway on here. But how cool could those be for a DIY project? And again, with this on the bottom being able to pop out so easily, I would probably just glue that down. But I was thinking even the color that it is right now, you wouldn't have to do really anything to it. I'd probably put some feet on it, put some rocks in it, maybe a candle and some succulents, and make a little rock garden out of it. I don't know, we'll see. And so I grabbed a welcome one as well that I will not tear up for you live on the channel right now. I bought some clear chopping mats. I've been wanting to do projects with these for a while, and I think I have a cool project, so more to come there. Of course, you gotta scan your Dollar Tree receipt. If you're not scanning your Dollar Tree receipts, you are missing out. Fetch Rewards, it's an app that you can download. Every time you go shopping somewhere, take a picture of your receipt. Take a picture of your receipt, upload it onto Fetch Rewards, and you will get points that you can redeem for gift cards. I'm telling you, I have made a lot of gift cards by shopping. So you should do that for sure if you're not. I'll link it below, and I have a referral code, and I get a little bit of a referral bonus. But yeah, you should check it out for sure, because it works for gas stations. It works for every receipt, Costco, grocery stores, Dollar Tree, those are the best because they give you bonus. So if you buy like Lay's potato chips, for example, and Lay's happens to be one of their promo items, then you're going to get extra bonus points just for buying that. And then if it's a receipt, that's just a receipt, and it doesn't award you any bonus points, you get 25 points for it. So I also grabbed some French onion dip because I'm a fat boy and I like some snacks. The mop heads. I have not seen these mop heads yet, and a lot of people are using these for some very cool projects. So I grabbed a couple of those, and then just a couple more things. I saw these plates, and I thought they were gorgeous. These are actually paper plates, but I have a project idea in mind for these, and I think if I glued like 2 or 3 of these together to make it sturdier, that could be really, really cool. So more to come there. And then the last like 4 things, I did buy some Valentine stuff. They had this really beautiful vase. And they had another version of this that had like a tree on it, which I thought was kind of cool. And it had these same little hearts. I just bought one because I'm just going to probably do, I'm probably not going to do a whole lot of Valentine's DIYs. I say that now, but maybe I will. This sign, however, I thought was really, really great. And I may actually buy more of these when I see them. And the reason why I thought it was so great is because you can use this for so many projects. So even if you're not planning on doing Valentine's decor, buy one of these because that's almost very, it looks like a tag. It could be very cool for farmhouse stuff. I really recommend it. And then the last 2 items, they had some vertical letter trays in the office department, and they're stackable. So they fit together. Let's see if I can fit them together. They barely fit together, and they're very thin plastic. But dang it, these fit together in the store, so we're gonna make one fit together now. But these are great because you can organize your life, organize your office, and I get a $50 like stipend every month from the company I work for to buy like anything I need for home, and anything that I don't spend over the 50, I can keep it. So I just spent $4, and see, they do stack together. So these are for the office, not for the craft room. And They'll probably end up in the craft room too, because why not? And then I'm excited about these. So last year they had the stackable planters, and they brought them back again this year. I bought the terracotta colored ones, and I had them on my front porch. Everybody complimented me on them. Well, I found the navy ones, and that's kind of what they look like. You know, it's one, you buy one for $1. That's what they look like. And again, super versatile. Navy is my favorite color. And this is literally how they stack. And they are super, super cool. Very versatile. You can use these for a lot of different projects. And, well, planting projects. But actually, I took one, and it's on my video that launched. It was the top 20 of 2020. If you haven't seen that video, I'll include that link below if I remember. And that video featured one of these, and I took my wood burning tool and I cut this circle out, and then I put my patio umbrella between it, and so now it sits on the table outside. And what's cool about this is if you're having friends over, you know, your quarantine team, you can put candles in it. You can put citronella candles in it, and it keeps the bugs away. You could put silverware in it and condiments if you're having a barbecue. You could put flowers in it and make it very beautiful, and have it sitting on your table. And what's great is that it's got the drain holes already built into this. So it's not the drain, well, there are drain holes in here, but it helps catch, you know, the drain. I don't know what I'm saying. But anyway, that is cool. It is the stackable 3-tier planter, and that's what it looks like. So they had these in a khaki color. They had it in this brown. They had it in the terracotta. And I think that was it at this particular store that I went to. But again, some really cool finds. So I'm excited. Otis is excited back there because he's hanging out. I'm going to scan this receipt into Fetch Rewards and start my 2021 gift card shopping. So, all right, you guys, enjoy your day, and I look forward to bringing you some more projects and DIY stuff very soon. Bye.